In this brilliantly designed Japanese-style tiny home, every centimeter is crafted with intent, showcasing a remarkable example of how advanced design system can bring function, beauty, and flexibility to even the narrowest of space. At the heart of this innovation lies an advanced diagonal system cabinet, a bold departure from traditional storage solution, transforming limit width into multifunctional living zones. The cabinet structure follows a diagonal grid layout, not only maximizing the depth of the space but also breaking the visual monotony often found in tight quarters. This angular setup allows for enhanced access, layered storage, and surprising dual function. One of the most innovative features, two foldable beds hidden within opposite diagonal cabinets, each folding smoothly into the wall when not in use. This clever symmetry enables the space to instantly transform from a sleeping zone into an open living or work area during the day. Despite the narrow footprint, the design even integrates a compact yet private toilet area tucked seamlessly into a diagonal layout. By aligning the walls and fixtures along the angle grid, the bathroom maintains accessibility without interrupting the flow or opens of the main space. Further optimizing vertical use is the introduction of a vertical sliding staircase, a smart space-saving alternative to traditional staircase. Stored flush against the wall, this sliding stair can be pulled down when need to access the attic or loft bed, retracted effortlessly when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space in the core of the home. Every element, foldable beds, integrated bathroom, diagonal cabinetry, and the retractable stair works together in perfect harmony. Rooted in Japanese principle of minimalism, adaptability, and precision, this tiny home proves that small doesn't mean less. With an advanced diagonal system at its core, it delivers maximum efficiency with refined elegance, ideal for modern compact living.